Hi guys, it's Van from Review My Life coming to you with an honest review for something I didn't even know was a thing. Trust me, you don't either. You can check out HydroFlow's website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out their website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below, and they're even running a discount on their website, so go ahead and check it out. So the reason why I was pretty confident in you guys not knowing what the S38 is was because I had no idea it even existed until my plumber recommended it to me. So getting to the point, the S38 is a water conditioner. What's a water conditioner, you ask? A water conditioner is simply a general term for a system that changes the water quality for the better in some way. And in this case, HydroFlow's water conditioner is a chemical-free solution for the harmful effects of scale, corrosion, bacteria, and algae in both residential and small commercial applications. So it's very, very popular among residential homes. You can use it in water heaters, commercial dishwashers, steam and proofer ovens, ice machines, even commercial humidifiers and evaporators. I have been asked many, many times if this actually works by my friends, and they still doubt me even after I explain it to them. Well, there are those who reject the science that a very low frequency electromagnetic field, or powerful magnets properly situated, will deionize minerals in the water flows through the wire wrap or magnet's location to inhibit scaling in addition to breaking up existing scale. So that's their loss and my gain. So what do I gain? It The HydroFlow S38 basically dissolves and removes existing scale, prevents new scale accumulation, deactivates bacteria and algae, prevents and removes biofoul, boosts filtration efficiency, and significantly reduces corrosion. I was worried I would have to pay thousands and thousands of dollars for a water softener. I tried this first because of my plumber, and it's working great. The S38 results after running it for 3 months has been a miracle. It single-handedly descaled my entire plumbing system. I ordered the S38 water conditioner because I was experiencing a scale buildup in my boiler that was causing my water not to get hot anymore. Within a few weeks, the elements had no scale and it works like new. I am super glad that I gave this a try. And what I didn't know was that the S38 water conditioner was awarded the prestigious 2015 Kitchen Innovation Award by the National Restaurant Association. This recognizes and celebrates cutting-edge equipment and technology that specifically improve the back-of-the-house operations and benefits food service operators. So, having a food service operator grade piece of equipment in my house just makes me feel oh so special. Honestly, there's a lot of things that you can get from picking up the S38. It even has some financial and environmental benefits. It reduces energy consumption, it increases the efficiency of water heating equipment, it eliminates or decreases chemical usage, it reduces the maintenance cost. So, averaging 1 year payback period for your investment. So on top of increasing the quality of my water at home, it also saved me a ton of money on getting a new water softener. Enough said. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the website from HydroFlow in the description below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. This has been Van from Review My Life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!